Hello, my subscribers and viewers. It's Vicmes from DigiPro. Before we head on to the video section we have for today, I just want to quickly introduce this channel to you. The name of the channel is DigiPro. This is where we give amazing updates on both paid and free softwares that you will be needing. Yes, we also in this channel gives basic tutorials as a beginner. We give tutorials on basic things that you ought to know about your PC and how to operate some basic settings in your PC. So if you like to be getting software update, because there are a lot of softwares out there that you might not have heard of and you might not know exist, that might help you in one way or the other. So if you want to be getting updates from us on various softwares, new softwares or old softwares that has been trending and have been helping people, just subscribe to our channels and you'll be receiving various software updates from us. And also as a beginner, if you are a beginner or intermediate and you are still learning some basic thing in your PC or you want to learn, so you can also subscribe to our channels. But that is not the only thing we cover. We also cover some amazing settings, amazing tutorials online. We don't have any particular niche, but we promise you that we provide videos that will help you or expose you to certain things that you ought to know. So thank you for watching, staying in this video, and before I head on to the next video, to the video we have for today, please subscribe to our channel if you want to subscribe, like our videos, and click on the bell notification icon below so that you will be updated with us. Thank you. Yeah, hello my subscribers and viewers. So for today's video, I want to bring to you your notice a new software, an amazing one for that matter, and the name of the software is eazylogostudio. I repeat, eazylogostudio. Now you might want to ask, what is eazylogostudio? From the name, you know that this software called eazylogostudio is a software that has been created for you so that you can be able to create amazing logo. Yeah, it's a software that creates a logo for businesses. So this software is amazing. But at the end of this video, I will show you how this software does this magic of creating a good logo for you. Now, this software has a lot of advantages. The number one advantage in this software is that you don't need to hire, or you stop hiring logo designers that will collect a woeful amount of money to design logo for you, because this software does that easy and in a simple way. Yes, so you don't need any logo, you don't need to hire any logo designer, because this is what this software does for you. So it will save you time, it will save you energy, it will save you costs. Yes, so another advantage of this software is that it does this very fast. Just within 5 minutes you are done with your logo, creating your logo. So it is a very fast software that designs logo within a short space of time. Now another advantage of this software is that another beautiful advantage of this software is that it makes your logo so simple. Like, it keeps it in a simple manner. It doesn't need any too much a graphical setup to make your logo so outstanding and stunning. It just uses a simple image that portrays that your business the exact way you need it. So what am I trying to say here is that it gives you the best logo representation of your business. So this software is really amazing. And another good thing about this software is that it's powered by human creative designers. So it's not like the normal garbage in garbage out computer acting mechanism. It is very creative in function, in the sense that it gives you the logo that you are looking for. It creates the stunning and outstanding and amazing logo that you are looking for. So I am going to quickly show you a video where the creator of this software explained more and also showed us on how this software is being put to use. Now you might want to ask, is this software a paid or a free software? This software is a paid software, but don't be dismayed, because the cost is not very high. It's just for a one-time price of $24.46, and this software is yours, and it is going to do you a great good. As a solo worker, you want to create your own logo yourself for your business, and also do you good as a logo designer, because now you can get more work done within a short space of time. So it saves you time and makes you more money. So everybody as a business, or maybe any business owner or any logo designer, needs to get this software. It's a very good and amazing software. So I've left a link below, the access link to this software. Just scroll down at the description box. You will see the link there. Just access and know more about this product. So I won't want to waste much of our time, so I will quickly move over to the video where the creator of this software explained more about this software. Please, before I head on to the video, do not forget to subscribe and like this video, and also click on the bell notification icon so that you also get more updates from us. You get more updates of our free or paid software that will be good and will also help you in one way or the other. Or even if it does not help you, it can also enable you to be aware of certain software that you might also be needing in the future. So I want to thank you for staying with me in this video as I head on to the next video.
Hi, I want to show you how to create a professional logo in 5 minutes. Introducing Easy Logo Studio. It's the most simple logo creator that's powered by human creative designers, not artificial intelligence. You only need PowerPoint to run Easy Logo Studio in 3 simple steps. First, browse logo ideas by industry. Next, change colors and fonts. Then, save and export. Don't believe it? See the quick demo. Get inspired by our logos. Easy Logo Studio is a solution for you to create a professional logo. No hassle, and save $1,000 to hiring a logo designer. You will also get branding design templates to give more value to your logos. Brand Identity Kit. Easy Logo Opener. Easy Slides Presentation. Plus more exclusive bonuses. What are you waiting for? Get Easy Logo Studio now.